All right, guys, here's the Friday directions. We talked about yesterday, the little Boston Massacre was our topic. Today, we're just going to get kind of a little bit more of the story, doing the CRT. So normally I have like an article that we printed off, but it's just this one of these assignments. So instead of actually like printing off the article, I just put up a web page, a web article on the History Channel because there's like videos that are embedded in and stuff like that. That's kind of cool to look at. So I'll wait for this to load properly here, and then we'll be ready to go here. Get rid of all these ads. Ad mania. All right, so here's the article, guys. What we're going to do is just look at the Boston Massacre. Again, you got a couple different phases on this thing. So just read through it, and you should be good to go here. Just read through the article, and then once you're done reading it, just answer the questions on the CRT, and turn the CRT in due Monday morning. So this will be our assignment that's graded on Monday. So make sure you guys get this done today, and I'll be ready to go for the actual war starting on Monday. We'll get there. Lexington and Concord will be our first topic next week, and obviously that springboards us into full-fledged war. So I'll see you guys then. Have a great weekend.